The study of classical conditioning started with a series of experiments conducted by the Russian scientist and Nobel Prize winner, Ivan Pavlov. He did one of the most famous experiments ever done in history. A dog was prepared for this experiment by having a small operation, exposing the salivary glands to the surface, which made it possible to measure salivation automatically. Then the dog, which was fastened by leashes such that he could not move, was given food while a bell was rung. This procedure was repeated several times. Normally, when a bell is rung, a dog does not salivate. A dog salivates when it gets food. However, in this experiment, as the bell was rung every time the dog received food, the dog would salivate when the bell rang, even when there was no food. Pavlov called this the conditioned response. The dog had been conditioned to associate the bell with food and to respond by salivating. Pavlov's experiment was an example of classical conditioning, a new association between a conditioned stimulus and a response through the repeated pairing of the conditioned stimulus, the bell, with an unconditioned stimulus, the salivating when eating food, that elicits the response.